23,000 kilometers, 7 countries, 0 passport. This man crossed that like it was a doorway. This is the true story of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the man who turned War II into India's battlefield for freedom. January 1941, British police surround his house. Netaji is trapped, but at midnight he vanished, not as Subhash Bose but disguised as a deaf old insurance agent. He walked out right under British noses. He crossed India, Afghanistan, freezing mountains, that at every step, no passport, no money, no real identity. His destination, the most dangerous place, Germany. April 1941, Netaji reaches Berlin. He sets up the Free India Center, Azad Hind Radio, and he sends a message back home that shakes India. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. He builds the Indian Legion, 5,000 soldiers ready to die for freedom. But Hitler, he refused to support Indian independence. Netaji does the impossible again. He leaves Germany in 1943 inside a German submarine under a new name, Mr. Masuda. 70 days inside the ocean. Enemies above, death below. And then he transfers mid-sea to a Japanese submarine, a move no leader in history ever attempted. Netaji meets Japan's Prime Minister Tojo, and for the first time, a major world power says, "We will support India's freedom without any condition." Netaji takes charge of the Indian National Army, the INA. Unity, faith, sacrifice. Regiments named after Gandhiji and Nehruji. In Singapore, he declares the provisional government of Azad Hind. And then history. Japan hands over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to Netaji. For the first time, Indian flag rises on Indian land free from British rule. 1944, the INA launches its biggest attack, monsoon storms, no supplies. They didn't win. They made the British fear something more powerful than guns. Fearless leadership, unbreakable courage, a dream that shook an empire. Netaji called Gandhiji the father of our nation. And India calls Netaji the voice of freedom. 1945, a burning plane, a missing body, a nation left with questions, not answers. Did Netaji fall or escape again? No proof, no closure. A truth India never received. So ask yourself, have we finished what Netaji began? Jai Hind. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.